Today we're making oven-baked potato wedges, or fries with cheese. Incredibly juicy, soft and tender on the inside. We'll need 600 grams of potatoes. Peel them and cut into wedges. First in half, then slice each half into pieces. Transfer the potatoes to a pot and pour boiling water over them so they heat up faster. The potatoes should be fully covered with water. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, or to taste, and 2 bay leaves for aroma. Cover with the lid and cook for 5 minutes after boiling. The potatoes should lose their firmness, but not be fully cooked. Drain them, transfer to a deep bowl, and let them cool slightly. Meanwhile, take any cheese you like. I'm using 120 grams of Irish cheese with beer and grate it finely. Add spices to the potatoes. Half a teaspoon paprika. I added a bit more later, so in total 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon oregano. Half a teaspoon dried garlic. Half a teaspoon ground allspice. Half a teaspoon turmeric for color. Two tablespoons olive oil. Now gently toss or shake the potatoes so all the spices coat them evenly. Sprinkle half of the grated cheese over the bottom of a baking dish. Arrange the potato wedges in a large circle, one by one. Then make a smaller circle inside. It should look like a flower, similar to a daisy. For the sauce, mix 120 milliliters yogurt, 1 teaspoon starch, and 1 tablespoon melted butter, not hot. Stir until smooth. Pour the sauce mainly into the center, not all over, so later it's easy to grab the wedges by hand and enjoy the stretchy cheese. Sprinkle the remaining cheese on top. Bake in a preheated oven for 20 minutes. And here's what we get. Incredibly delicious, juicy and very soft potatoes. They turned out simply amazing. Golden, fragrant, with a crispy crust and stretchy melted cheese. Impossible to resist. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to the channel. All the best, and see you next time. Bye-bye!